Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you're all doing good. Okay, if you are old here, thank you for sticking around, and if you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about AI ChatGPT. Do you know you can create an image with ChatGPT? If you don't know, then let me show you how to do it. Okay, so open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Okay, so scroll to chatgpt.com. So basically, if you have a YouTube channel or TikTok channel, or if you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't have an image to use, and you are looking for an image to use, you can use ChatGPT to just simply create it. So I'll use this prompt here. I'll click on this create image, then create image for my YouTube channel. Let's say for my YouTube channel, which is all about motivation. So maybe you have a YouTube channel and you do only motivational stuff, and you need a logo or you need an image for it. You just come here and create a simple image for you. So just click on the done and it should generate it for you. What is wrong? Okay, so our image is, as you can see, it's very simple. You don't need to pay anybody to do this for you. You can do this yourself. Even if you want to design a flyer, a lot of things too, you can do this for income, side hustle. So as you can see, you click on it, then you download it. It's very simple. So I'll download that. Just download. So here is it. Okay, I'll click on this image to open it. Okay, so it's very simple. So basically, I hope you enjoy it. So if you want to design an image, you can use ChatGPT to do it, and that's it. So this is our image, very simple. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to design and host website for free. Yes, I'm very serious. You are going to design a website and host it for free without any coding skills. So if you're really interested, please hit the subscribe button and you're going to enjoy it. Thank you. If you have any comment, just leave it and I'll get back to you. Cheers.